In this video, I will show you how to adjust the volume of your LG Smart TV without the remote control. So if you misplace the remote control of your LG Smart TV or for some reasons your remote control is not just working, this is a very useful one for you. And to adjust the volume of your LG Smart TV, what you want to do is to go ahead and look for the power button just below the LG logo over here on your LG Smart TV. Usually you will find it just below the LG logo, or sometimes you might even find it on the right hand side or on the left hand side of your LG Smart TV. So just go ahead and look for the button. It is usually just below the logo under the LG Smart TV over here. Go ahead and press on it just like so, and you're going to see this menu on your LG Smart TV. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and press on it just once to navigate through all of the options over here, and to select any option you want to long press on that particular option. So to increase the volume of my LG Smart TV over here, I'll just go ahead and long press on the volume up button just like so, and now I've been able to select that option. Now to increase it, I'll just tap on the button and you can literally see the volume of my LG Smart TV is now being increased. Now to unselect the volume up button, I'll just go ahead and long press on it just like so, and now I've unselected that option. And to now decrease it, I'll just press once to navigate to volume down and then long press on it to select, and just like so. To now decrease the volume, I'll just go ahead and tap on the volume down, and you can literally see the volume of my LG Smart TV is now being reduced. So basically you can use this particular button on your LG Smart TV to either increase or reduce the volume of your LG Smart TV without necessarily using the remote control. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.